Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here as always and as usual. So guys, today I am at the market, Ogbete market, which happens to be one of the biggest, not one of the biggest, it's the biggest market in Enugu. So I'm here to buy a couple of things and I decided to bring you guys along, but just so you know, things are ridiculously expensive in Nigeria. So I don't know what to expect, and I'm also doing this video to show you what the market looks like pre-Christmas season. Okay, so Christmas is like in a few weeks time, so people are buying basically or mostly out of fear because the rate at which things hike or go up in price in Nigeria is alarming. So if you have money now, you just quickly buy what you need. But what I need is not even for Christmas, it's just something. Oh, Nabia. It's something. So, also, leave me. So, guys, this is how they call you guys in this market. This is how they call you in this market, especially if you're a lady. Some people might even grope you, some people might touch you. But I noticed something. The touching has reduced in this market. It has, really. So, but they'll just keep calling, fine girl, my color, what do you want, this and this. And because I'm carrying a camera, a lot of eyes on me. So people are asking me to come and film them. So let me look for where I'll buy what I want to buy. So it's going to be a very short vlog because from now my battery is even low. I didn't charge my camera battery after my last vlog because this market was rather impromptu. I actually came to buy sneakers, guys. Hey, okay. Let's see how that goes. People are buying Christmas things for their children. Hey, God, man. God, man, let me check this shop. How they come? People don't wear sneakers.
Oh, they are green color.
Why?
White, oh, this side.
39 for... I like your color.
Oh, political age.
Yeah.
It's not that's 39.
That's 940. Let's talk about this man. He's a typical Onyo Safia. Onyo Safia are traders in the market that do not own stores nor products. Rather, they earn commissions by connecting buyers to sellers. They are found virtually in every Nigerian market, most especially the southeastern markets. So we can call them physical or offline dropshippers. In some instances, these Onyo Safia pose as the store owner and sell to customers at a very exorbitant price. This is because whatever they add to the original price of the product belongs to them, in addition to the commission they earn from the store owner for bringing it to their store. So at the end of the day, it all falls down to the knowledge of the customer about the original price of the product and the customer's bargaining power. So sometimes we make more money for these people if you do not know the original price of things, or you do not make a lot of money, leaving them to earn just commissions for bringing you to this place.
As you food. Eh? Oh, I am a fire. My mom better go up as an email. Or can make shop here plus. I'm very can work up Tazan. I have them very a Mexican, amazing chopping plus. Okay. Shina Rambo. Shina Rambo.
So at this point, he's trying so bad to convince me into taking this, and as you can see, he's also bringing more samples from different stores in a hope or in a bid that I'll pick one of them. However, while some of them look nice, I do not appreciate sneakers that have very busy soles. You know, it's not my thing. So I'm telling him I don't like it, but he's saying test it, put your leg, it might be your size. I mean, it is so nice, it is so... And this is the typical thing that they do in the market. If you're not strong-willed, they're going to convince you into buying what you don't like. And when you go home, as long as your money enters their hand, it's over. It's over, guys. All right, guys. So I didn't even tell you about their method of testing shoes. Did you notice that I had to wear nylon on my leg before wearing the shoes? So basically, it's to avoid staining the white sneakers, right? So, but I was thinking maybe there should be a better way of doing this. So tell me in the comment section if in your place, your country, if you guys do it like this, or if there are like better alternatives into testing immaculate things like this sneaker. Guys, so I didn't buy from that place because of the sole. I wanted something very simple, alright, so I didn't get it. So I'm in another store right now. They asked me to wait so I can get, so they will get it from your other. So eventually I succeeded in buying the sneakers, a very plain one like that. So I'm heading to the OK line, aka Africa, or thrift line, to look for, what's it called? I'm going there to buy high heels. So while I made my way down to the thrift line to find myself a nice high-heeled sandals, I decided to make a brief stop at my customer's place to get myself fruit salad. So take a look and see how it's done the Enugu market way. So tell me if you've eaten this, if you like it at all, or if the preparation is so weird for you. So guys, what I just got now is fruit salad with groundnuts and so I'm coming, so I'll video you. So hi, hello, good afternoon. Hey guys, Navia. And then good afternoon. I'm fine. Yeah. Alright, so that is it. With granite, I like it. So I'm going to my customer's place to see if he has shoe for me. Otherwise, I'll go back to the other part. But that guy's stuff is usually expensive. But let's go shop. Let's see if it's around. Oh, okay, good, because I have camera today. Hey, Boost, sorry. Alpha. I'm fine. What camera now? One of you can just have for me.
Good night, Palanca.
No more, I fell never gear. My customer, my wicked customer there. I've got a discount, I've got your shoe. Alright guys, so I am here now. So this guy is on designer shoe. Basically this is very comfy if you're looking for maybe, what is it called? You're looking for the Boutin, Givenchy, and some big names. So if you know what is okay. Let me know if you have something within my budget. If not, I'll run to the new one. I've got very new standards now. And then my shop got the size. Very understand. Yeah, so this is what the fruit salad looks like. I've got my work and you got snails, sir. You got not go get to Alright guys, so my guy does not have what I want, so I ended up just finishing my fruit salad. I've eaten all of it, and so I'll be leaving now. I'm just going to check other stores to know if I can find what I'm looking for. So he brought this one for me, but I don't want this. I just want like a sandals, an open sandals. that I could wear and run around town, you know, for errands or anything. This one is looking serious. So what else? So look at these sandals, guys. I like these shoes. I like these shoes. You guys like it? I like it as well. Let me even Pringle of Scotland. Okay, it's a nice thing. So it's looking bigger than my leg. Oh, I don't want something like that. Alright guys, so we are gonna meet in the next store. Huh? I should video you. What do you want to say?
But you're not recording.
I'm not what?
You're not recording.
I'm recording now.
Okay. I want to say that Ogbete market is fine.
Okay.
We are actually making it. We are selling here.
Okay.
And also everything is going high, but still we will still make it.
So why are things going high? Why are the price of things going high? You don't know.
It's not that everything is putting prices every day.
Yeah.
And it's because of the economy. So we are making every effort to satisfy anybody that comes to us.
Okay.
To sell to them, reduce for them.
Okay. What do you sell? What do you sell?
This is my shop.
Okay, this is your shop.
We sell baby stuff.
Okay. What's the address in case someone wants to come and check?
Our address is I5 number 10. This particular place is I5 number 10.
Okay.
And the other shop is H4 number 18.
Okay, so anybody that wants baby stuff to come to you.
Yeah, as this time of season now we are transforming to clothes. And not because and it's not that we will not sell baby stain again, we'll still be selling baby stain.
Okay,
but
you
we
sell
clothes.
more of clothes.
Yeah, for any age.
Okay.
For children, for adults.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, no problem. Thank you very much. Alright. Okay guys, so that is one of the people that wanted me to talk to them in the market, so I had to oblige him. So if you ever happen to be in Ogbete and you're looking for baby stuff, you should go to their shop. So I'm still looking for my high heel sandals. So guys, I don't know, it seems like people are no longer going to market, or is it that my taste has improved? Maybe I don't deserve Nigeria again, because everything they've shown me, guys, I don't like it. I'm not even talking of the costs, like I don't like them. So I'm trying to find another shop where I can go to, so that's about what time. Let me check here. Good afternoon. I am done now and I'm going home. So like I was saying before, it's either that Ogbete has casted, if there's an English word like that, because I literally went around this market looking for footwear and I didn't see something that I liked. One thing I noticed that most of one thing I noticed is that most of the guys, most of the sellers had the same thing, like what you see in this shop is what you see in this other shop. And I don't know if this is as a result of the current hiking price of things, so maybe most of them are not even bothered to go around looking for things or anything, you know. So maybe they just go to a place, pack things and go. Even the thrift guys, they were just telling me if you can come back in the next 2 weeks, blah blah blah, you might get something new by then. But I don't have so much time, given that things are like December is close approaching, traffic, and I don't like being in this market at that time of the year, so I cannot come back. By the end of the day, I was able to see something. It's not really my best choice, but it's better than everything I saw in this market. For real. It's better than everything I saw in this market. So I picked it. And I'll wear it for the meantime, but I'm just saying this so that you guys will know that obviously I think I've outgrown the things available in this market. So I might just have to change my shopping destination. Maybe it's growth or anything, but looking at these things here, I'm not sure I can come back to spend my time and money doing this thing again. Okay, so these are the Vera people. if you're not careful in Ogbete, they will hit you. They will knock you down, literally. They will knock you down. So, if you have any shopping destination that is affordable, I'm not saying you direct me to very expensive places. I'm not yet that rich. So, I could get something nice at a good price. So that even if I'm spending like all my money, I know that I'm getting value for my money. I'm more of that person that seeks value for her money. Okay, so that's all I want right now. So guys, I'm going home. I only bought 2 shoes, 1 sneaker and one sneaker and 1 high heel. Pardon the breaks in my communication. I'm just trying to navigate the road and film at the same time. Alright guys, so I'm out to the park now. I'm just going. I can't go further than this. The sun is too much. The attention on me is so much. And I think this is where we'll end the vlog. Let me find a means of transport and go home. Guys, at this point, you just need to hold your bag very well, because if you don't, people that are more careful than you will help you and arrange your things. Okay, so Zaggy, there's a bubble, so this is like not serious. Some could do now come to start. So guys, this flyover, the pedestrian bridge, I've not seen anybody there. It's just serving a purpose of advert for companies. Right now, Techno is using it. Besides that, I've not really seen anybody using it. So these are still people selling things here and all of that. So guys, we are out and I want to buy something. I want to buy a vitamin B. Guys, do you know what it is? If you know what it is or if you enjoy eating it, please let me know in the comment section. It's one of my favorite things I buy from this market whenever I come. So the woman I usually buy from, I checked her store. You guys saw when I checked her store. She wasn't around. So there's another lady down there that I'm going to get from. So aside from that, I think we are done shopping. So maybe when I get home, I'll show you guys what I bought and how much I bought them for. Every other thing I was supposed to buy, I couldn't buy it because this market really upsets me. Like, there are no longer varieties in Ogbete when it comes to fashion. No variety whatsoever. Now, very people get rid of Ogbete. Now them, like, you fear Ogbete, you fear berry more than you fear car or human beings in Ogbete. So this is Holy Ghost Cathedral, right? So this is what it looks like right now. So, yeah. Hey, can I cross? I beg, wait to. Sorry. Because I'm still looking for my...
Okay.
Hey, what's this guy driving? You got one call you by the camera. Speaking English. Good afternoon, Shabata. Alright. What are you doing? You Baba Tagi come here for the photo is 100. Shabata 100, yeah. 550, 500. Yeah? Oh, wow. What is here? Baby, it's your fault. You want money? Move. Aqui você vai aqui 550 500. Look at 550 500. Mas não podemos, não podemos. I'll with 100 100 be here. No, I've been trekking where that. Stop for you. Waiting, what's Nyaki now?
I can't go there.
Nyaki 100, in the 50, boy. Can I leave 100 or something like that? No milk.
Yeah, I do that.
So, about a bag of
100 naira.
About 100.
Yes, I keep.
Yeah,
Okay.
Guys, I came here to end the vlog. So I'll be joining one of the tricycles there, also known as Keke Napep. So this is where we come to the end of this vlog, and thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed going to the market with me. I remember, like I said, Ogbete can no longer satisfy my fashion needs. So if you have any other destination for shopping for clothing, materials and everything, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.